The front seats of your Genesis allow for extensive customization and ease of use, ensuring that you can create your own lap of luxury. The controls for the driver and passenger seat positions can be found on the outside of the seat cushions. You can adjust the seat cushion forward and back, tilt the front of the seat cushion up and down, raise and lower the seat, and tilt the seat back forward and back. In some models, the driver's seat also has a seat cushion extension. This can be extended out further for those who desire more upper leg support. Some models also allow you to increase or decrease the lumbar support and adjust it up or down. Some models may have driver seats equipped with adjustable seatback bolsters. The seatback bolster can be adjusted inward or outward to ensure comfort and support around the driver's torso. It's important that you adjust your seat so that you can easily control the steering wheel and foot pedals, reach controls on the center console, and maintain good visibility. The integrated memory system stores and recalls settings for the driver's seat with the push of a button. The driver memory system will store driver seat position, side mirror position, and, if equipped, power steering wheel position. To set a seat position in the memory, ensure that the engine start-stop button is in the on position and the vehicle is in park. Adjust the driver's seat to the desired position. Mirror positions can be adjusted on the door. Select the left or right mirror, then adjust using the adjusting ring. If equipped with power steering wheel adjustment, set the steering wheel to the desired position. Then press the Set button on the integrated memory system panel. The system will beep once, and the LCD display will prompt you to press button to save settings. Then press the memory position you wish to use, 1 or 2, within 4 seconds. The system will audibly confirm it. A visual confirmation will appear on the LCD display. From now on, when you press that memory setting, the seat and other settings will return to the stored position. For more helpful information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel and mygenesis.com.